Matific has a robust reporting system. Let's start with the assigned work report. Here, you can see any assigned work. You can view the report by the due date or the start date and use the filters as required. You can see your students and the activities available under different dates. Hover over the bar to see how many activities were assigned and how many were completed. Click to view more details. You can click a student's name to view an in-depth report, and you can expand the activities for more information. The next report is the Student Activity Report, which reports on your students' activity and scores. You can view the report by the curriculum and use the filters as required. There is an option Show Empty Topics, which you can toggle to view or hide topics that don't have any data. Click a topic to view subtopics and dive as deeply as you wish. Clicking a student's name allows you to view detailed information about their score and activity. All reports can also be exported, but we suggest that you export reports for the whole class. We have a separate video on the placement test report. Feel free to check it out. We also have a school leaderboard report. You can filter the report by a date range and select a year level to see which students have earned the most number of stars.